Pipiads Review and Coupon Code. First and foremost, I take pleasure in offering honest evaluations of Pipiads reviews. Click the first link below this video to get access to the full review with 50% coupon code. Each product is thoroughly tested by our review team, which also offers a detailed analysis of its benefits and drawbacks. This is an amazing Pipiads review that will guide you on the cons, pros and all that you need to know regards to Pipiads. What is Pipiads? Pipiads is an internet resource that offers thorough product reviews for a variety of products. The platform's goal is to aid business owners in making wise purchases by offering frank and objective reviews of the goods they're considering selling. Click the first link below this video to get access to the full review with 50% coupon code. Each product has a thorough explanation of Pipiads, along with a breakdown of its attributes, capabilities, and performance. You can rely on Pipiads' team of reviewers to thoroughly test every product and provide an in-depth analysis of its advantages and disadvantages. Pipiads probably has reviewed anything you're searching for on TikTok, especially the trending products and the TikTok ads. As a result, you can fulfill all of your wants for product research there. Pipiads Review Features. These are the distinctive characteristics of this amazing software that set it apart and give it a distinct appearance from other programs. The following are some of the features that this software has to offer. Search TikTok advertising page. Everyone who visits this website will have access to this search bar before any other area of the website. There are some unique characteristics in this TikTok search. 1. The keyword. This section contains the location where you can use the Pipiads tool to search for various products. Use the add keyword to look up the product. You have the option of filtering any of the products you. 2. Categories. In the category, the area found in the dashboard, you can search for the advertising by category. E-commerce, games, apps, dropship, and brands are the top categories. 3. The section's basic features are as follows: the country or region, the product's cost per action, the e-commerce platform, where the website was developed, the type of adverts, and the landing page. 4. Data. This includes each product's popularity, days, impressions, total likes, and like rate. 5. Time. This section includes the date and time the product first appeared on the TikTok platform as well as the most recent appearance. When it comes to dropshipping, this component is crucial because it enables you to determine the ideal time to sell a specific product in, whether it is still in demand. The items can also be sorted by time period and the number of views within a specific period. Advertisers page. This section provides various sections that can make it simple for anyone to search among the hundreds of products in the Pipiads platform, comparable to the TikTok ad search. Anyone can easily spy on their rivals without leaving the platform, thanks to the various parts on this page. The following sections are among them. 1. Country, region. The performance of each product in each country is thoroughly examined in this section. The benefit of this section is that you can use it to inform your decision-making by learning how each product performs in various markets. 2. Category. This section lists many dropshipping niches that you might be interested in. The category gives you a broad overview of all the main markets in which you can start as a total newbie and work from home while earning money online. Click the first link below this video to get access to the full review with 50% coupon code. 3. Advertising impression. Ads impressions demonstrate how consumers responded to a product, and they always differ between products. 4. Total likes. This part displays the total amount of likes a product has received on TikTok in a given period of time. This offers you a better understanding of how popular the product is and how to market it. 5. Price. You can choose products based on the price range in this section. For instance, if you wish to sell goods worth $50, you can enter that amount in the price area and receive a list of all the goods that fall within that price range without having to manually search for them. Click the first link below this video to get access to the full review with 50% coupon code. Thanks for watching and ensure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.